Good evening, my YouTube family and friends. I'm Larry from LJ's Unboxing, and as always, well, almost always, all of my videos are sponsored by the old guy staring at you in the video. However, even though this is not a sponsored video, which none of mine are, because nobody pays me to do them, I was trying to win something so I can show yous what I've won, yous being my family. Finally won something, and here it is. Not the most expensive package there is, but hey, gotta start somewhere. So, with that said, I think I'll do something different. Like, it's my knife, but here are scissors. Woo! So, I'm going to cut open this package, which is the first thing that I've won ever. Now, they were running this for 500 units. So 500 people won this prize. Catch being that you pay for it and then they reimburse you. They refund your money. So, without further ado, as you see, I got it out of the plastic one, and it came from AliExpress, but it was paid for by Umidigi. So, get that open. Now, I'm assuming this is that specific package because the other one came from another location. Had nothing to do with that one company. Alibaba Express, to be exact. And there's the packaging, and here's the box. Umidigi. You see that? Really nice. Got a nice texture on the box. And of course, you flip it over and it tells you about the charging. It's a charging cable. It's a Type-C charging cable. And of course, I have plenty of phones that actually use Type-C. Part of the, whole fun of having your own YouTube channel where you unbox stuff. So, I'm going to take the knife out. It says it is 1.2 meters long. You can always comment down below exactly what length that is. It's a USB Type-C. It's red. Let's see. Power output, 3 amps max. Input port, USB 2.0, that's Type A. Main material, TPE, so plastic, of course. Let's see, key features, let's see, charge, data sync, voltage and current monitoring, LED display, timer, auto power off. So, this is a pretty significant charging cable. So, cut the seal. And time to pull open the box. Of all the boxes that I love opening, I especially am fond of Umidigi. Umidigi, yes. So inside we have the cable. Man, this is very significant. It's a big boy. So, let's see if I can plug it in behind me. It's held by this little strap here. And, oh yeah, look at that. is supposed to be able to hold up a lot of weight. And I believe it. Of course, I don't have anything over here to test it. Actually, yes, I do. Don't know why I didn't think of it. Of course, this is a different thing right here that I'm testing. It's to give my Motorola Moto Z3 Play MagSafe. And that's working pretty good. So, with that, I plug this in here. And, of course, I got to remove this. Get this out of the way. So I can plug it in here. And right away, the display comes on. And it's charging. What's this saying? Charging at 4.93, I guess, amps. Saying it's gonna take, I don't even know what all that information means. H05, 4.94 volts, 0.73 amps, I guess. Okay, so it's saying that it's going to take about a half hour to charge my phone to full. So, I mean, this right here is definitely worth getting. Now, if you want to buy one yourself, you would go on to, I guess, and why I keep forgetting, Alibaba Express. These are $10 per cable. And for a charging cable, that's kind of expensive. But at the same time, this quality isn't actually cheap. This is a very high quality charging cable. Which, to be honest, if I didn't win it, I would have not gotten it. But since I did win it, along with 499 other people, I can tell you this is definitely a good quality charger or charging cable. So we'll do that, restart it. So yeah, unplug it, plug it back in, it sets it back up to maximum again. And that's pretty much what the phone requires. So this cable actually will charge to the best of your power supply's ability to what your phone needs. And of course, it's not saying that it's charging slow, so apparently it is charging fast. So, would I buy this? Yeah, well, actually, I'm starting to think maybe I would have. This is a really nice one, but thank God I didn't have to. So, until the next video, this is Larry from LJ's Unboxing. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Of course, got that from a couple other ones, and I'm sure they'll know who they are. If you want to subscribe to my channel, press the subscribe button. And of course, if you want to see more of my videos, which one is coming pretty soon, very soon, like within 20 minutes, click the bell icon. And with that said, it's been another LJ's unboxing video. And I'm your host, Larry, the old guy with the Tom Selleck mustache. Signing off. Peace.